Welcome, nice trading bros and ladies. Welcome back to another video, and in this video we want to talk about Jasmy coin. So let's take a look here on Crypto Bubbles. You can see that actually almost all coins are big in the green. But where's Jasmy coin? So Jasmy coin is right now 4.4% up in one day. Therefore, let's check again Jasmy coin. But before we start, if you are new on this channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. So let's start with today's TA. Here we are again on the daily chart, and it looks like right now that Jasmy might potentially retest this neckline from the downtrend. So we have Jasmy came right into the EMA ribbons, retest this neckline once, tried again to break out, failed, and getting again a rejection. Right now above on this daily candle, there's a long wick, therefore this looks not very bullish. Therefore it is likely that Jasmy will retest this neckline. Also, this could lead potentially, we had here a small double bottom on the smaller time frames, but on the daily chart this could potentially lead into a big W pattern, a big double bottom. So if we have here one, and if there would come another double bottom, so that could be a potential. I mean, just if this definitely will play out. Right now it's a little bit so that could bring Jasmy to 0.0364. But we have to wait if this definitely will play out. Let's take a quick look on the Fibonacci retracement from this low to this high to see where is it right now. So again, a rejection at the 236 Fibonacci level, and is right now actually on the way to the 0.5 Fibonacci level, maybe to the golden pocket or to the 786 Fibonacci level. I mean, that could be in confirmation with this neckline and this second part from the W pattern. So maybe something to 20% down can definitely happen. But we have to watch out that Jasmy will form not a lower low. So this green level must definitely hold. Also, let's take a look on the fixed price range, or the volume price range. Then right now, look, it is definitely sitting here at this key volume range. So if it will break down, the next one would come in something between the golden pocket and the 786 Fibonacci level. So let's take the middle. So that could bring a little bit support in if this golden pocket will not hold. But what to expect for Jasmy on the higher time frames, or if we zoom out. Actually, as I always tell you, or in my last couple of videos about Jasmy, if this really would play out, that could be a big cup and handle pattern. Maybe let's draw this in. Where do we have this one? Is it this? Yeah, this one is it. So maybe like this. So that could be the first cup, and then the handle, maybe like this. So then we are potentially in August or September. If this one really would play out, the price target would be here at 0.4728, and that is a potential pump from right now where we are trading of nearly 2000%. So maybe we talk again in August or September if this definitely will play out. So right now let's zoom in again and take a look on the 4-hourly. And also the hourly. So the RSI is pretty neutral, it's going down on the 4-hourly actually also. So okay, guys, ladies, you know the bigger picture with the cup and handle pattern. If it really would play out, I guess I would be the first person that ever talked about this pattern. And on the smaller time frame, you know also which levels you have to watch out. Guys, ladies, if you want to trade and you want to support me, check out my links in the description. You can trade this on Phoenix and Bybit. You will get a bonus depending on your first initial deposit. Also, if you want to support me, leave a thumbs up. That would really help me and I would really appreciate that. And if you're new on this channel, also smash up the subscribe button and hit the notification button. As always, no financial advice, always do your research and never trust anybody except yourself because it's your money. Don't forget to subscribe. Peace out, guys and ladies.